Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these VIGRUE 210-piece concrete screws. So I like that it comes in this container that I can close and keep everything. Now there's not enough space for all the screws. They got some in bags, so these are different size screws. The divider, maybe you got to put in, I don't know if there's any extra dividers. No, it doesn't look like. So just not all the screws can be separated individual ones. So some really quick notes. You've got two sizes. You've got three, now they're different lengths, but you've got 3/16, which is the thread size, and you've got 1/4 inch. So you've got two sizes of threads. Now, again, you'll have different lengths, which they show you, but these are concrete screws that require a concrete drill bit. And I wrote on here, 3/16 uses a, and to find my drill bits, it uses a 5/32 drill bit. 5/32, concrete drill bit. Again, for drilling in concrete, and you've got to use a hammer drill, a little hammer symbol and a hammer, or an impact gun. Now, again, because this has got the 1/4 inch, or some of these are just fluted for just for drills. Now the 1/4 inch is going to use 3/16, so the bigger threads, 3/16 drill bit. Again, concrete drill bit, and you're going to want to drill a 1/2 inch. So you don't drill the exact size. You want to drill a 1/2 inch more than the length of the screw. Now, one other thing. Okay, yeah, the bigger screws, the 1/4 inch screws, take a number 3 Phillips. You'll see here. See how the number 3 Phillips, I've put them in with the number 2, but sometimes it kind of, it wallers it out. But a number 3 fits it perfect. The smaller ones, these are a number 2 Phillips. So make sure you have a number 2 Phillips and a number 3 Phillips for these different types of screws, and 2 drill bits, because this does not come with drill bits. But I love that it comes with all the sizes, because sometimes concrete screws, I just don't ever know. It's mainly the length. I'll need this length sometimes, and then sometimes I need a short one, because you don't want to drill a whole bunch into concrete, because it is pretty hard. So anyway, I do like this little kit. I'm anxious to start using it, but I'd had to do a little research, and right on here, 3/16 uses a 5/32 drill, 1/4 inch uses a 3/16 drill bit. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.